Hello friends! Many people ask me what is the secret of my happiness. And I always answer, I don't know. But after thinking about it for a long time, I finally found the answer. So today, I will share with you the secret of my happiness. I think the secret of my happiness lies in 3 points. First, have dreams. If we don't have dreams, we are no different from animals. As human beings, we should have the pursuit of our own life value. Only when we have dreams and aspiration can we have a goal to move forward. Without a dream, you will not cherish your life. You will not cherish your life. So how can you be happy? So if you want to be happy, you must first have dreams. Dream big and dream beautiful, but also dream of a realistic dream. Don't let your dreams be empty. Second, work hard. Only if you work hard can you realize your dream. Life is not easy. There are so many people who have dreams, but because they don't work hard, their dreams will eventually be shattered. Hard work will make you sweat. Hard work will make you tired, but only through hard work can you become stronger and you will feel the joy of being strong. There is a quote that goes, "Happiness lies in the journey, not the destination." When you are working hard for your dream, you will encounter many problems. You may fail again and again, but you must persevere. Because in the process of solving one problem after another, you will gradually grow up and become stronger. This is the real hard work. So if you want to be happy, you must work hard. Work hard to make your dream come true. 3. Cherish the present. Many people regret why they were born in this family or that family, regret why they didn't study well, or regret why they didn't have a good life. In fact, there are no regrets in life. Every choice you make is the best choice. Everything you do is the best arrangement. So instead of regretting, we might as well cherish it. Cherish your current life, cherish your current family, cherish your current friends. And even cherish the troubles you currently have, because they all make you who you are. Many people don't cherish the present, so they can't be happy in the present. Instead, they waste their time complaining about the past or worrying about the future. This is the biggest taboo in life. So if you want to be happy, you must cherish the present moment, because it will never come again. In fact, the secret of happiness is very simple. It's just that we always make it complicated. Sometimes we don't know what happiness is, so we can't grasp it. In fact, happiness is by your side every day. You just need to open your eyes and see, open your heart and feel. Happiness is a kind of feeling, a feeling that you don't need to ask for, because it comes from your heart naturally. Just like breathing, you don't need to breathe on purpose, otherwise you will be out of breath. Happiness is like that too. When you know how to enjoy the happiness at this moment, you will be happy. So I think the secret of happiness is actually the secret of enjoying life. How to enjoy life is a lifetime of learning. We need to learn to face life positively, actively, optimistically, and confidently. Only in this way can we be happy. Thank you for listening. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below. I will reply to every comment. Your support is my greatest motivation. Please continue to pay attention to the updates of my channel. I wish you happiness and good luck. See you next time.